When installing the main controller, install the damping rubber grommets first, then fasten the screws. There are 6 mounting screws. For the wire harness, insert each connector into the corresponding port based on the numbers. Rebind the drone and remote controller. First, press and hold the pairing button on the main controller. The main controller status LED will flash red and green. Then press and hold the pairing button on the top left of the remote controller. The remote controller indicator will flash red and blue. The drone and controller will enter pairing mode. Once successfully paired, the status LED will turn solid green. After pairing is complete, you need to update the UOV number. Open the browser on the main page and enter 192.168, 144.10, 8888. Enter the eVision backend system. Select UOV number management. Enter the last 5 digits of the drone's device ID. Delete the old UOV number. Input the new UOV number. Click Save now. After turning off the main battery, be sure to turn off the backup battery to restart. Go to the main menu Device Management. Unbind the drone. After rebooting the drone, the newly updated UOV number will appear. Recalibrate the compass. Then recalibrate the level meter and gyroscope and update to the latest version. Confirm that there are no errors in each module.